Discover Aries Drugs, a company that delivers top-quality pharmaceuticals and nutraceutical products as a contract manufacturer. Transparency, on-time delivery and commitment towards meeting quality and innovation standards have made Aries Drugs a leading organization in the Indian medicine sector. Located in Uttarakhand, we are one of India's fastest-growing contract manufacturers in oral liquid syrups and suspensions and pioneer in the field of pharmaceuticals and nutraceuticals products. We are equipped with best-in-class machinery, technologies and diligently following the CGMP, DCGI and WHO norms with an industry-leading combination of 15+ years of experience and pioneering technology. We offer a one-stop solution to your manufacturing needs so you can effectively focus on your bigger business objectives such as research, business development, marketing and sales. We look forward to a successful association as your preferred contract manufacturer.